Hello guys, welcome back to RS Car Channel. Yeah, today is the 22nd day of finding Supercar Challenge.
Wow, guys, one of the great spots. Ferrari 488 GTB is coming.
Yeah, just for the gorgeous BMW XM. Nice.
Yeah, guys, on the other side is Mercedes. Maybach GLS Garrett is coming. Another great spot after the wow, guys, over here is the Mercedes S-Class, the new model. Beautiful.
Hello guys, welcome back to RS Car Channel. Yeah, today is the 22nd day of finding Supercar Challenge. Now I'm back at Chimong Mega Mall over there and try to find a spot of supercar. And this morning it is raining, right? Nothing I can do about it, and luckily it just stopped now. Hopefully the supercar owners still bring their supercar out for the coffee, because otherwise today we don't have any supercar to show you guys, right? So let's go show us some mercy, and hopefully the supercar owner bring their supercar out for the coffee today. So yeah guys, this is the great lesson to learn. No matter what the weather like, no matter how it's going today, how you feel today, if you write things down like me, just go out and do it, and hope and wish for the best that luck will always stay on our side. As long as we take action, we follow through, and we make it happen, right? So always smile, have some faith, have some hope. So let's go, let's enjoy the journey together, guys. Just for the gorgeous BMW XM. Nice. Guy over there, the new Xiaomi U1 Alpha. Nice. Check 1 1 2. Hello guys, welcome back to now I'm arrived at my best spot, which is the Independent Monuments. And the weather is not good today, but nothing I can do about it, right? Just take action, follow through, and make it happen in a great and a positive way. And hopefully we're going to see some Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, or maybe some Mercedes along the way. So let's go.
Wow, guys, one of the great spots. Ferrari 488 GTB is coming. Here it comes. Wow, amazing. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, guys, on the other side is the Mercedes. Maybach GLS Garrett is coming. Another great spot after the Ferrari. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, guys, over there is a Mercedes Maybach S-Class. This one I believe to be the 580. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah. Amazing. Wow, guys, over there is the Tesla Model Y. New model, 2025 model is coming. Yeah, look at that beauty. Wow, guys, over here is the Mercedes S-Class, the new model. Beautiful. Navy blue color. Two-tone editions. Wow, guys, over there is the Cadillac. And on the other side is the Mercedes AMG GT3. First AMG GT3 this morning. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, guys, guess what kind of supercar is that on the trailer? I think that is a Bentley, right? Wow, guys, over there, another gorgeous color. Mercedes AMG G63. Nice, beautiful. Look at that beauty.